Asus laptop slow performance on Windows 10, 11 to 7. So if you want to fix the Asus laptop slow performance, then first what you need to do is you just need to simply right click on your taskbar, go with the task manager. From the task manager, you can go with startup apps, and from the startup apps, you just need to simply go and disable the startup apps that you don't use. So right click on it and then go with disable. And in the same way, you need to go and disable all of the startup apps that you don't use. And this might fix your performance. And the second solution is you need to go with search again. And under search, you need to search for Defragment and Optimize Drives. After searching, you need to go with that, which will be under your system. And from here, you need to select the C drive and then go with optimize, which is on the right side. And after that, after a few seconds, it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the third solution is you need to go with the Windows and R key. If you press Windows and R key, then you will have this run. So here you need to enter %temp %, and click on OK or hit the enter. After that, you need to press Ctrl A, select all, and then delete or press delete. Click on do this for all current items and then go with try again or skip, and this might fix your problem. Now again, you need to go with the run command, press Windows and R keys together, and here you need to enter temp and then hit the enter. Here also you need to press Ctrl A, select all, and press delete, and go with skip and delete all of the other things. And again, go with the run command, and here you need to enter prefetch. Again, go with OK. Here also you need to go with Ctrl A and delete all of the things that you have. After that, the fourth solution is you need to search for the power option. Here you will have power, sleep, and battery settings. You need to go with the power and sleep option. And here under the power mode, you need to select the balanced section. And after that, the last solution is you need to go with search again and search for system configuration. Here go with services. Under services, go with hide all Microsoft services. After that, you will have an option of VMware. You just need to simply go and uncheck the check mark or the unimportant service and then click on apply and OK. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.